Never fails. Has anyone seen the battery charger? 1 horsepower. And last night I was putting the motor in the Camaro, and it looks as though that's not going to happen. At least not yet anyway. So the good news is that you're going to get to see how we notch a frame. It's always something, isn't it? You know, fit, refit, never ends. But this is the craft that we love. So I enjoy every moment. I always remind myself, you know, I could be digging ditches. Good morning, YouTube. I'm Dave with Blue Collar Builds, and I am just about to head over to the shop. Had to do some logistics, you know, doctor's appointments and such. So I'm getting a little bit of a late start today, but let's get over there. You should be able to see right where I have marked out the scribed area there in silver. You can see it reflecting. That's the area in which we're going to notch this frame. So I'm going to go ahead and get my die grinder, and we're going to cut that piece out, and then we'll box it back in. I think we're hanging on by the hair of our chinny chin chin right now. And it's time to get a bigger screwdriver. Now that's a bigger screwdriver. Here's the outline of what it is that I'm gonna have to cut out based on the shape that was left behind by the notch that we created in the frame or in that cross member. So we're gonna use the the hot knife, the torch. So we have the two side pieces made, and I'm about to tack those into place. And then we'll make the retention wall in the back, basically framing out the box. So what we're doing is we've cut a hole, right, into a hollow side of a frame, and now we're going to box that in. So we'll be closing up all the remaining sides, kind of putting the strength back into the structure. And then I'll weld in some additional material as well, so that that cross member was stronger than it was prior to ever being notched. Structure. So we have to offset that by over strengthening that particular section. Problem is where the pan is going to go, I'm not going to be able to do anything between here and here. It's going to have to be on the underside of that cross member. So we're going to get this on the lift and I'll finish up the welding from the bottom side on the lift, and this will be a wrap. Let's start getting that engine in. Well, guess what, guys? The frame is notched and the motor is in. Mission accomplished. I'm hungry. It's been a long day and I'm ready to go home. So, mission accomplished. We got the motor into the Camaro, and now we can start working on putting together the top end and connecting everything that needs to be done in order for us to break in this motor and run it. Catch you later.
Thank you for watching Blue Collar Builds. Stay as long as you like, and don't forget, the beer's in the fridge.
Oh, I wanna be a machine.